How to make a buttonhole in Tunisian crochet. Now I'm just working with Tunisian simple stitch, and I'm going to simple stitch over until I want to position the button. Let's do one more. Now slip stitch, you're just pulling that through. Did you catch that? It's a bind off, and when you bind off a stitch, insert the hook, pull up a loop, and then pull it through the loop on the hook. And that creates a bind off, in this case a slip stitch bind off in Tunisian simple stitch. Now I'm going to do it again because I want two. So through that loop and through the other loop. Now continue. Just continue across just like normal. You're going to get to the end and do the stitch normally. At the end, your end stitch right here, chain 1, yarn over, pull through 2 and 2 and 2 until you get to the position of the buttonhole. Once you're here, you've bound off 2, so chain 2 to go over it, and then pull through 2 and pull through 2. So now you have a hole for your button. Now start off here, and now you have to create these 2 stitches. Back bar and the back bar, and then continue across. And you have your buttonhole.